ITMA Connect presents EU Textile Strategy 2030 and its Business Impact Masterclass, developed with the support of the European Commission. This four-part masterclass features exclusive interviews with special guests from the European Commission, covering the business impact on four key areas. Forced labour.
It should not be possible to sell a product made with forced labor in the EU, on the EU market. So it's a prohibition or ban on those products that will come into force.
Textile product end-of-life management.
Legislation introduces the polluter pays principle through an extended producer responsibility (EPR) scheme.
Eco-design requirements for sustainable products.
And its objective is basically to make sustainable products the norm. The textile should be more sustainable.
EU products compliance and market surveillance.
I want to sell a product in the EU. What are the rules? What do I need to comply with?